This is your question number 2. First part is, you can see this is the figure of aeroplane. The first part is triangle, which is an isosceles triangle whose two sides are 5 centimeter and the base is 1 centimeter. You will find the area of first part, area of triangle, using Heron's formula. First, find semi-perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C equal to upon 2 equal to 5 plus 5 plus 1 upon 2, that is S equal to 11 upon 2 equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now using Heron's formula, 8. Now use the Heron's formula, area of triangle and first part equal to under root S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, where A equal to 5, B equal to 5 and C equal to 1. Put the value under root 5.5 bracket 5.5 minus 5 into 4.5. Finding their prime factors, you will get 2.49 centimeter square. This is the area of part 1, triangle. Now the second part is rectangle. You know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. The length is 6.5 and breadth is 1. So area of the second part rectangle equal to length into breadth equal to 6.5 into 1 equal to 6.5 centimeter square. Understand it? All of you are understanding it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First part area of triangle, second part area of rectangle. Now third part.
Yes, sir.
Third part in the bottom is a trapezium. You know that area of trapezium equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. You can see that the parallel side is 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, and non-parallel sides are also 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. First we draw. Here we have written here the trapezium ABCD. You can see in the figure. In trapezium ABCD, AB parallel CD. In construction, we draw CE parallel AD and CF perpendicular EB. Now in triangle CEB, in triangle CEB, we see that triangle CEB is an equilateral triangle. फिगर में दिख रहा है सबको? Everyone is saying in the figure. Triangle
Yes, sir.
CEB is equilateral. Why? Because CE equal to CB equal to EB 1 centimeter. So we use the formula area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 A square equal to root 3 by 4 into 1 square equal to root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Right? Again,
Yes, sir.
area of triangle equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Put the value, the area of triangle we have find out root 3 by 4 equal to half into base. Base is EB 1 centimeter. So half into 1 into height CF. Height CF. Therefore, H equal to, by cross multiplication, 2 root 3 by 4. 2 cancelled for 2 times equal to root 3 by 2. On perpendicular CF equal to root 3 by 2. हमारा हाइट निकल गया इसका, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल साइड्स. Now we use area of the trapezium, half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between parallel sides, means height, equal to half bracket parallel sides 1 plus 2. Parallel sides is 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So 1 plus 2 into h, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Equal to 3 root 3 by 2 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that is 3 root 3 by 4. Putting the value root 3 1.732, we get 5.96 upon 4 equal to 1.299 centimeter square. That can be written in round figure 1.30 centimeter square. ये एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम Everyone has understand it?
Yes, sir.
Now, the fourth figure is triangle. Fourth figure, fourth part is triangle whose base is 1.5 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. फोर्थ, लेफ्ट साइड का डायना, लेफ्ट साइड में नंबर 4 लिखा हुआ है. इट्स बेस इज 1.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड लेंथ इज 6 centimeter and it is a right angle triangle. So area of triangle part 4 is half base into height. That is 1/2 multiply 1.5 into 6. 2 3 जा 6 equal to 4.5 centimeter square. Part 4 and 5 are same. Therefore, area of part 5 right triangle is also 4.5 centimeter square. Therefore, total area of the paper used equal to area of the first part triangle, area of the second part rectangle, area of the third part trapezium, area of the fourth part triangle and area of the fifth part triangle equal to, सबको ऐड कर दिया, equal to 2.49 plus 6.5 plus 1.30 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. Their sum is 19.29 centimeter square, and in round figure we can write 19.30 centimeter square approx. Yeah, every part you must have to find out the area, and at last the total area we find the sum of the area of the parts given. Your question number 3rd and 4th is simple based on Heron's formula. So I am going to discuss question number 5. A rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? Here you can see in the figure ABCD is a rhombus whose all sides measure 30 meter. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, 30 meters. And the longer diagonal AC is 48 meter. 24 and 24. We draw two diagonals AC and BD. We know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree and a right angle. In figure you can see AC and BD are two diagonals that intersect at O, and we take in triangle AOB. The AC 48, AO equal to 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter bisect. According to theorem, diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So each part AO equal to OB equal to 24 centimeter. In right triangle AOB, angle AOB is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras, AB is hypotenuse. AB square equal to AOA square plus BOA square. Putting the value AB 30. 30 square equal to 24 square plus BOA square. Transpose 24 square. 30 square minus 24 square equal to BOA square. You can put the value directly, but I have put here using ID. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. So 30 square minus 24 square equal to 30 plus 24 into 30 minus 24. That is 54 into 6 equal to OB square equal to 324 equal to x square or x equal to root 324 equal to 18 centimeter. 18 meter equal to 18 meter. So OB equal to 18. Then BD equal to 2 into 18, that is 36. BD equal to 36 meter. So diagonal D1 equal to 48 meter given, and second diagonal D2 equal to 36 meter. We have find out. Now area of rhombus. Use the formula. Area of rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2 equal to 1/2 into 48 into 36 equal to 864 meter square. 864 meter square. Because 18 cows graze the area. 18 cows graze the area of green grass equal to 864 meter square. Therefore, one cow will graze area of the green grass equal to 864 upon 18 equal to 48 meter square. meter square. Hence, the area of green grass will be grazed by one cow equal to 48 meter square. Is it clear? हेलो
सर एक बार फिर से समझा दीजिए।
क्या कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है? देखो फर्स्ट में इसमें है कि ऑल साइड्स आर गिवन इक्वल 30 मीटर, राइट? One diagonal
Yes, sir.
is given 48 AC. Draw the other diagonal BD and you can see the diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. ये diagonal bisect कर दो equal parts में divide करता है, तो AO equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Now we let OB equal to X. Then in right triangle AOB, right angle AOB लिया हमने और उसका क्या यूज किया? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. The opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse. Then AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Put the value. 30 square equal to 24 square plus OB square. Now transpose 24. 30 square minus 24 square equal to X square. Using ID third from algebra, A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. So 30 plus 24 into 30 minus 24 equal to X square. So this way we get 30 plus 24, 54 into 6 equal to X square equal to 324 equal to X square and X equal to root 324. The square root of 324 is 18. So we have find OB 18 meter. BD equal to 2 into OB. The 2 into 18 equal to 36. The second diagonal BD equal to 36 meter. Now put the formula area of rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2 and diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Product of diagonals equal to half into 48 into 36. By 2 cancel 36, 18. 13 to the 36. 48 into 18 equal to 864 meter square. Total area of the rhombus of green grass field is 864 meter square. And in question it is given. In the question it is given 18 cows graze. Area of green grass equal to 864 meter square. Therefore, one cow will graze green grass equal to 864 by 18 equal to 48 meter square. Now it is clear. Hello. अब ये क्लियर हुआ? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5 is so clear. Question number 6, 7 and 8. Clearly you can do it. You have to find out the area of one triangle and then the total areas. Now I am going to solve. Here you can see the solved question number 9. Question number 9. This type of question is most important because in trapezium we see that first we do construction, divide the trapezium into parallelogram and triangle. We find the area of triangle. After finding area of triangle, we find the height of triangle, that is distance between two parallel lines, and then use the formula to find the area of trapezium equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. हमें इतने करने होते हैं. We have to do this process. Here in the question, in trapezium, two parallel sides are 10 meter and 25 meter, and non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. And we have to find out the area of trapezium ABCD. As we have done in question number 2, part 3. Same process. First we draw CE parallel AD and CF perpendicular EF, ED, CF perpendicular ED. AD, CE parallel AD, therefore AD AE equal to 14 meter, CF equal to 13 meter, and EB equal to 25 minus 10, 15 meter. Here A equal to 14 meter, B equal to 13 meter, and C equal to 15 meter. In triangle CEB, S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, we get S equal to 21. 14 plus 13 plus 15 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Now use the formula, Heron's formula, to get area. The area of triangle we get, you can see 84 meter square. Using Heron's formula, we get area of triangle is 84 meter square. Again, we use the formula to find the height. Area of triangle equal to half base into height. The 84 equal to half into 15 into H and is CF. By cross multiplication we get 84 into 2 by 15 equal to H. That is 56 by 5 meter. This is now area of trapezium, half into sum of the parallel side into height, equal to half into 10 plus 25 into 56 upon 5. equal to half into 35 into 56 upon 15 to 5. Half into 35 into 56 upon 5. 5 7 ja 35 equal to by 2 228 ja 56. So equal to 196 meter square. Hence area of the trapezium is 196 meter square.